Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and if you have any of the following two codes guys, I'm talking about code P0122 or P0223, stay with us guys and we'll explain how to fix that. Not very complicated guys, we'll explain what needs to be done, what needs to be replaced, what scanner we use guys. If you need any parts or tools, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Quick introduction, as you probably know guys, we will have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car alone that we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful and it will help you fix your problem. Now I'm going to go ahead, start the car, okay, we're going to connect the scanner. I'll show you what are the symptoms, what you may experience, and how we're going to solve that now. If you're on the market guys for a good scanner, I'll definitely recommend that one. Why? Because it can do so much, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can service, okay, you can read and delete codes from the airbag system, traction control system, engine computer, really powerful tool. So, if you start the car guys, and you have any of the following codes, you may experience, okay, reduced engine power. Engine power is reduced, check it out. Also guys, engine light will be on. Okay, engine light is on. And unstable idle. Now if I try to rev it up, it goes but very slow. So I'm going to turn the engine off, turn the ignition on. Now this is guys the scanner. And what we have here guys, as I said, you can do so much with it. So if you consider a good scanner guys, check this thing out. It's connecting now, so let's check out which codes we have. Okay, it's going to take just a little bit of time to establish communication. Codes found 2, click OK. Now the codes that we have right here guys, usually you will find your engine codes under the control module that ends with 8, but check all of them. You can read the codes in each one of them to confirm that those are the only codes you have. I always check stored and pending as well, because pending means that they haven't been long enough, okay, in the memory to trigger the engine light, but they're existing codes guys. So what we have now, P0122 and P0223, all of those relate to throttle pedal position sensor. So I'll go ahead, turn the car off guys, and we'll explain what needs to be done, okay, to fix any of these two codes, or if you have the two codes together. So we have the hood open now, and once you open the hood guys, doesn't matter if you have the 1.8, 1.4, 1.6 engine, the procedure should be the same. You have your air filter box. If you follow your intake boot guys, it's going to lead you to the throttle body. Okay, that's your throttle body down there. You can see, okay, that device. So any of those two codes guys are related to the throttle body. And how you guys fix that? Okay, the only way is pretty much guys, if you have those codes, check your connection. This is your connection here. Make sure that it's the plug-in, okay, the connector is all the way plugged in. And if all that is good, try to pull it out, reconnect it. You may try to clean the throttle body. It will not always solve your problem, but it may help, may solve it once in a while. And if that doesn't take care of the problem, you have to replace the throttle body. If you want to see the video on the channel, how to remove and replace throttle body or how to clean it, we have the video on the channel. Check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you that are considering that repair. What we'll do today guys, we'll replace our throttle body. After we replace it, we'll see if that fixes the problem. Now, the purpose of today's video is to see if a new throttle body will fix the problem. So, we'll go ahead, replace it, and we'll continue. So throttle body has been replaced. I'm going to go inside now guys. Everything's plugged in. I haven't even cleared the codes yet, and I want to start the car to see what it's going to sound like now. Okay, listen now. Okay, so far it sounds better. But the engine light is still on. So we'll turn the ignition off, and when we turn the ignition off, the engine off and turn the ignition back on, okay, like that, we're going to go back and delete the codes. Yes. Now if I go ahead and start the car, we shouldn't have the engine light on. So that definitely fixed our problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.